So we're here today with this no reel, just a rod. Got one. Oh. No, don't get in the water. Aw, you ruined my wormy. It's about a 17.7. I didn't know what it was, like my line got tight. Oh.
We seen it, guys. We seen it like right. We seen like right. It's bigger than most of them we catch here. I'm just turning it on because I have a good feeling about the spot. Here's a bigger belly on him. I don't know if it has eggs in it, but it has a bigger belly on him. So let me go put it back real quick, and I'm gonna go get my right, there you go. Gotta kind of throw them because all this stuff right here. I don't like throwing them, but where? Yeah, here. Just fish with this.
Oh, you right?
Mhm.
I tried it on the other day and now I didn't see it. I'll touch that.
Huh? There's gonna be like, this can't fill up anymore. There's gonna be like a
How far were you casting out with this pole? This pole? The other, it was
Here.
I'm not used to reeling late. We hit it on a drop head. Well, caught one on this pole. Oh! Stick out your mouth, it's not clean. Ah! No. Move. Oh, thanks, Nick. I can do that.
I know. I was just doing it.
Really like that.
Well.
What the heck? I think someone farted.
That's what I was gonna say.
I was like, you got one? You got one?
Oh. I gotta fix my alarm and then I'll cast over that way.
I'm about to go right into them weeds. Ready? Got one. A good one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you were messing around.
No.
There we go. Yeah, just keep pulling them in. You're good with a stick. You don't have a stick. Just keep bringing them.
Now he's fighting. Yeah, I'm stuck on a stick.
Hold on. Just keep bringing them straight. Bring them straight like I told you.
Like this?
Yeah. Here, just... Yeah, go right there and just throw him in that little opening. Just show him. It's fine. He'll be fine. Yeah, there you go.
Done.
Dang, you just ripped him out. Was that the bass that was close?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing looks so small in there. I mean, it's not a giant, but it looks so small. It's a nice one. Booty camera. That bass snapper looks different. It looks fatter.
Yeah.
Is it, or is it just me?
bass snapper?
Yeah.
It's cute.
Like, well, I guess I did buy the weedless one when I had it. It looks skinnier.
What part is your player?
Right here.
That one?
Not the fat ones, the skinny ones. I'll just see the first ones that the fat ones have they have rubber band on them because to keep them closed so they don't poke a hole in my bag. Even though I guess I really don't need them unless they're scissors, but to poke a hole in my bag. But oh yeah, you got them good. You gave me a good hook set. You just kind of go like this.
I know you gotta pull out like that.
Yeah.
I'll get you back in the water.
Oh, I just fell. You gotta show it to Brian and put it back. He's really light. You got about another hour left. To fish. You go show Brian. Largemouth. Largemouth bass. Huh? Yeah. My friend's dad caught, well, they had to be, there's not basses, you can't keep them. But they had to be 14, but my friend's dad, right here, he caught a 10-pounder last year. Brian! Brian! Come here! Look at the bass! I came over here to show you. Sure. Huh? Probably the worst fishing spot.
He's like, go catch some walleye.
Yeah, they are good walleye in there.
I don't want to catch walleye though. Let me touch it. Why you feel like that?
I don't know, it's really white.
I know. See you later, D. Wait.
I did too, like, I seen him take and I was like, I'm just gonna wait for it until I see him have it in his mouth. Like really good. And then I'll set the hook. Alright guys, I'm gonna let him go over here because there's more over there, so I don't want to scare him away. So Brian's over there trying to get some more off the bed. There you go. I think I might keep my camera on. Not a bad one. It's not that big, but caught this one on a jig. It's a Strike King with a Zoom trailer. It's probably about, actually we can measure it right now. There's a guess. About 13 ounces. Alright, here. Alright, now you can shut it off. Alright, just gonna get pictures and put it back. Just caught this one. I'm gonna put it back. I caught it with the same jig that I caught that last one with. Me and him are both using jigs. I'm using Strike King, he's using the Justice jig. But I think not bad one. We're just both fishing with jigs. We keep getting bites, so I think that we're on something right now. But I wish I had my water. Oh!
Was it a big one?
No, it wasn't, but it got off.
It was?
Blooper. Alright guys, I got another one on. I just got him. He's really close to like the branch over here. He's just hanging out. He's a decent size. On that jig again. It's about like 9 right now. Alright, there we go. The night fishing's pretty good so far. I think I don't know if this one will work. It's supposed to have a lot more vibration, but it's like a crawfish bag. Yeah. Did I? Are you kidding me? Oh, I do. Oh, I got this thing so small. It's a bass.